Kidzuko.
Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book, a reading rainbow.
Hi, and welcome to Reading Rainbow. I'm Mychal The Librarian, and this place is the library. Have you ever had one of those days when you're just feeling sad? I have. What about really angry? Ah! Yeah, same here. Or what about feeling energized? Woo! That one I like. Have you ever felt bored? That's a feeling too. It's not my favorite feeling, but it's a feeling. Sometimes when a feeling is especially big, it can feel uncomfortable to feel feelings. But feelings are just your body's way of telling your brain something. And it's up to our brains to dig deeper and use strategies to manage our bigger feelings. One thing that's always helped me with my feelings is to lean on my friends. Friends help us decode what those feelings are trying to tell us. And I want to introduce you to a friend who needs our help figuring out his feelings. Come with me. Today, we're gonna hear a story of a very special bull with very big feelings. In Moo-Hoo, Milton tries really hard to manage those feelings. Take a look at our friend Milton in Moo-Hoo.
Moo-Hoo by Audrey Perrott, illustrated by Ross Brock, narrated by Adam Devine. That's me. Milton had a wonderful life. He loved his pasture and everything in it, and he always had an endless supply of homemade ice cream. He should have been the happiest bull in the world. Moo-hoo! But he wasn't. He cried a lot. That's why his nickname was Moo-Hoo. He cried when he was sad, obviously. But he also cried when he was so happy he couldn't help but weep with joy. I just love to draw. Wait! Your tears! They're washing away our drawings. Oh. He cried when he was nervous. Any day now. He's moving slower than me. When he was frustrated. And when the music swelled in his favorite song. Slip, flop. I don't know. It's okay. Just try your best. He cried when he was embarrassed, and then he cried some more because he was embarrassed he was crying. Sometimes it got ugly. Milton was tired of ruining everything with his tears. Maybe I need to toughen up, he thought. So Milton the Bull became Milton the Bully. Charge! My shovel! Me first! But all that did was make him sad, which made him cry. I'm sorry! Maybe I need to cry it all out until there's nothing left, Milton thought. So he watched the happiest movies, listened to the saddest songs, and admired the most beautiful sights until every single tear was gone. Or so he thought. Tap, tap, tap.
Excuse me, are you sad?
Asked the sheep. Milton wiped his tears. Yes and no. I do this a lot. That's why everyone calls me Moo-Hoo.
I know the feeling,
said the sheep.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, wah, wah.
I'm too high up.
Oh, wah, wah.
That's why everyone calls me Wah Wah. Maybe these will help.
They looked at each other and with tears in their eyes and smiles on their faces, started sobbing. For the first time ever, they didn't feel bad about feeling bad or sad or mad or happy. They were free to feel all their feelings in their own way. Maybe, Milton thought, I need a friend who likes me the way I am. What's your real name? He asked.
I'm Wanda. What's yours?
My name's Milton. Do you like ice cream, Wanda?
Oh, it's my favorite, Milton.
So together they watched the happiest movies, listened to the saddest songs, and admired the most beautiful sights as new favorite friends. They laughed, and of course, they cried a lot.
The cow says who?
No, the cow says moo. Because they were the happiest they had ever been. The end. Why the tears now?
They're sad the book is over.
I'm not crying. You're crying. Just kidding. I was crying a little bit. Not because I was sad, but because I'm so happy Milton found a friend who liked who he was. Happy tears, like Milton's happy tears. Let's see what you learned.
And now it's time for a game of What Can You Remember? You got this. Milton the bull was tired of crying, so he first tried becoming what? A, Milton the bully. B, Milton the bashful. C, Milton the banana. What could it be? It's A. For a little bit, Milton tried becoming Milton the bully. Here's our second question. How did Milton react to seeing himself become a bully? A, felt strong and important. B, felt nothing. C, felt sad and cried again. Think hard. It's C. Milton felt sad and cried again. He did not like being a bully and apologized right away. Last question. What did Milton learn from meeting Wawa? A, how to make ice cream. B, sheep can be bullies too. C, he needed a friend who likes him the way he is. Time's almost up. It's C. He needed a friend who likes him the way he is. He didn't need to change after all. Way to go.
Moo-Hoo got me wondering, when do I feel big feelings? All feelings are okay, but what can we do when we have big feelings? Milton and Wawa felt free to feel their feelings in their own way. When do you feel comfortable to feel your feelings? Maybe it's when you're with a parent or a good friend, or maybe it's in your room by yourself. There are so many great places to feel your feelings, and soon we'll explore one place where you can really let your feelings fly. In the meantime, make sure to follow the rainbow.
Reading rainbow.
Don't forget to check out some of the other fun videos on Kidzuko.